Hi, boy. Or is it Floyd this time?
Hello, boy.
Hi, Floyd.
Hello, boy.
Bet you Floyd wishes he was at the beach today, too.
Hello, boy. Hi, boy. Hello, boy. Hello, boy. Hello, boy. Hello, boy.
Hi, Barney.
Hello, boy. Hello, boy.
We're parked at the interpretive center and
Hello, boy.
oh my goodness, you're funny.
Yeah, I think so. He's just having a blast.
So this is Happy Birthday.
This is happy.
Wow, that's better than my laugh. He's mimicking mine, I think. Wow. Oh my goodness.
Good girl. I think when she's not sure, she touches both of them.
Okay, we'll try it again.
Touch green.
Try again.
Touch green. Good girl. You're so smart. And you are too, Toad.
Toad's going to come and join in, I think.
Gonna come, Toad?
Well done, Toad.
Nya, 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 nya. Nya, 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 nya. Nya, 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 nya. Narumenno. Narumoshi.